Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Log In. I'm back with another tutorial video on how to log into your First Trust Bank account using your mobile device. If you'd like to get access to your online banking account for First Trust with your mobile device and check your deposits, send and receive payments, check your transactions and much more, then keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start off by opening up your web browser from your mobile device and go to the search box at the top. Type in www.firsttrust.com and search. This is the homepage for First Trust Bank. Now, go to the upper right-hand corner and you'll be able to see a human figure. Tap it on and this will bring up a pop-up menu. Choose your login type from the drop-down, whether you'd like to log into your online banking account, your residential mortgage account, or your credit card, and tap it on. Now, on the next field where it says Login ID, type in your login ID in the box. After you're done, head over to the password field and type in your password for your account. In case you don't remember your password, you can tap on this Forgot Password link right beneath the box and follow the instructions to reset to a new password. After you're done filling in all of the information, tap on Login button and you'll be logged into your online banking account for First Trust using your mobile device. If you've not enrolled in online banking yet, go to the bottom of the pop-up and you'll be able to see Enroll in Online Banking option. Choose whether you'd like to enroll for personal account or business account and make your selection according to your need. If you've not opened a new account and you'd like to do it right from your mobile device, you can tap on this Open an Account button at the bottom. Follow the instructions in order to open up a new account for First Trust Bank. That is how it is done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial contents like this again. Thank you for watching.